Hello everyone, my name is Ashwin Prabhu. This is the last video of the tutorial software defined networking. Now we are going to see the topology viewer in RYU controller, how it works. So you can refer to this link, and the link it clearly specified what has to be done. So we have to run a mininet topology first, and then after that we have to run this GUI application. And once we run that, you can do HTTP IP address of the RYU host and then 8080, which is a port number, at your web browser. So once you do that, you can see a RYU topology viewer like this, which will only give you the switches which are connected or the routers which are connected, but any host connected to the switches or any switches connected to the routers, that won't be visible. That's only disadvantage in RYU topology viewer. Disadvantage as in they haven't developed the RYU topology viewer as much as it should be. But if you want to really see how much detailed topology viewer one can prepare, you can see this YouTube video in HP. They have made a SDN controller with Mininet. They have integrated all together. They have made a small GUI app for that, wherein they can specify what shortest path they want to see, and all those details. You can actually monitor it from one application, and each of the switches are being represented like this with the help of their MAC addresses. So each have been numbered numerically, and each of the switches will be connected to the host. Even that is shown. Each host is associated with the IP address. So with this you can clearly understand how the flow of the network goes. But with topology viewer you can only see the switches. So that is the only drawback over here. But nevertheless, if you want to see how it works, this is how the topology gets created. You must have noticed a minor difference. We have created in the earlier videos, this option has come front before the controller, so it doesn't make any difference to it. You can specify the controller initially or in any random order, and in the previous videos we have only specified 3,3 as the depth. So even if you don't specify depth equal to, it will take it the numerical value after comma as the depth of it. So once the topology gets created, you have to run the GUI application for the topology viewer. So the topology is still getting created. Just 2 minutes, and then you can view it in the web browser. So now the topology is created, GUI application is run, and now you can view it in the browser. So I have initially tried to run it when it was not connected, so it won't obviously show anything. But now when the GUI application is run, you can see the topology details. Mine it's a bit slow, so I'm sorry for that. Yes, here it is. So you'll get some randomly generated graph like this, so you have to arrange it in order to see whether the details are right or not. You can use this for debugging purpose. This is a very important tool. I used it for my project. Basically I was stuck with the topology creation. I didn't properly create the Mininet topology, and I was not getting through it. So I just tried to see how my topology comes into picture and how it is properly connected or not. So one of the switches was not properly connected, and then I saw the code, and I realized that I didn't write one link connection properly. So this can be used for debugging as well. So that's it for now. I think it is almost 12-13 videos regarding this software defined networking. uh, for us, basically it was very difficult to get all of this information. We didn't research much, but once we tried to get our hands on it, it was very difficult to get all this information. So we have made it available for you. I hope you make it a point to use it in your project, and I'll be very glad if you uh, get to learn something from this. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. If you have any comments, if you have any doubts regarding this, or if you want me to include any more tutorials, uh, please feel free to comment. uh, Thank you so much.